I'm not looking my best, but whatever. Here we are. I'm trying to get these videos out as soon as possible. I got 3 out there already. This is going to be my 4th one, and then I'll have 2 more to put out. These are released in stores today, I believe, that I'm filming this, August 2nd. Most stores should have some, if not all, of them in their store, on the shelf. If not, then they probably should sometime this week, unless they're all gone already. We're going to be doing Ruby today. I'm excited for this one. So, let's just get started. Alright, so we are all out of the package. I'm really anxious to see the back of this snowboard. The front of it is kind of like shiny-ish, I guess, a little bit of iridescence. Has the same exact things. Back is pretty cute. I mean, obviously it's super simple. It's supposed to mimic Supreme. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I think it would be really cool to decorate Jade and Ruby's snowboards, like add some glitter to them. I think I might do that eventually. And her second outfit, this little second outfit is just way too cute. Like, first of all, it says rainbow on the little fuzzy jacket, and this jacket is so soft. The little plaid skirt is just way too cute. The Thrasher mimicked shirt, love, it's way too cute. I do really love like the fake detailing of the zippers and the belt loops and stuff like that. These skates are pretty cute, and I do figure like if you don't want like the blades on there, you could probably cut them off with some sort of knife or something if you really didn't like them or whatever. But let me pull out the sock. So here's the sock, pretty cute, and here's the skate. You can see it says rainbow in the back and then also rainbow on the sides and the top. Very cute. And then we'll get on to the actual Ruby doll. I feel like it's weird that her ear sticks out. I don't like it when an ear sticks out of the hat. I feel like some hair needs to come forward, but her hair is nicely curled into kind of 4 sections, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And this is my first Ruby doll that I'm opening and like looking closely at. Some of her hair is like darker red, and it's almost like we have some like orangish and like salmon coral shades in there. I love that their hair is never just one color. It's so like pretty and unique and has a lot of dimension. So yeah, and then the hat has the sequins on it and the pom-pom. I love the hat. I think I'm gonna take these off so I can make the hat look cuter, because right now it's like, it looks weird. The jacket. I love this jacket, and this jacket actually has like a big hood on it, and it looks bigger than the one that was on Jade's jacket. Like, this one looks like it could actually like go over their head if you really tried. So sparkle there. Black fur is really soft. The red winged makeup, which is actually kind of intense, but I really like it. Love the lip color. Painted nails again. The shirt she has on underneath, is that long sleeve? I think it is long sleeve. And then she's got these overalls on, which are super cute, again with their zipper detailing and stuff. And then the little North Face logo they're trying to mimic again. Super cute. And then the boots. These boots are too cute. I love these boots. So yeah, that is Ruby. And then the red stand and hangers, of course. So I did fix the hat and her hair a little bit so it looks better, I guess. And then I did notice on her right arm, after I took her coat off, there's this really weird black paint that got on her arm. I don't know if it's just transfer from the sleeve on the coat, like the little cuff. That's the only thing I could think of. Which is really strange, but I mean, it's covered by the sleeve, so it's not a huge deal. And here is the shirt that was underneath the overalls. So I am so obsessed with this outfit. Like, what? That is too cute. Just looks amazing. So yeah, that is my unboxing of Miss Ruby. Next will either be Skylar or Sunny. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all, and I will be sure to get back to you ASAP. You guys have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye!